Okay, I don't know if I can take any more of this. Did I really? What's going on YouTube? So today I'm going to cover a loan app that lends $100 quick with no credit check. And it does also have some other features you're going to want to check out. So we're here at the website, meetclio.com. So this app started as a budgeting app. It's still a budgeting app. It's now promoting more towards its SpotMe loan, which lends $100 with no credit check instantly. We'll get more into that in a second. So the budgeting feature of Clio is pretty cool. It's gonna automatically tell you when a bill's due. You can ask things like, do I have enough to go to lunch today? Not do you have enough money, but can you actually afford to go to lunch today? You can ask things like, how much have I spent on entertainment this month? And that's done very easily through the app in a text-out format. So besides the budgeting feature and lending feature, they also have a savings feature and a credit card feature. Well, not really a credit card, but more of a debit card. So when you request your SpotMe loan, it's gonna go directly onto your debit card. Another thing Clio also does is help you with savings. If you're not good with savings or don't know how much you can afford to actually save, Clio's gonna let you know. It's gonna let you know how much you spend for entertainment, like I mentioned earlier, how much you spend on bills, what are your goals, how much do you want to put aside. So every time you receive a paycheck, it's going to put a certain amount of that paycheck aside into savings, or you can pick that number yourself. Let's say you want to put $100 aside each paycheck. Clio will automatically put it into a separate account. So let's talk price. There's 3 tiers to Clio. Clio Free, which is in the name, it's free. Clio Plus, which is $5.99 a month, or Clio Builder, which is $14.99 a month. So with Clio Free, you have access to the budgeting app. With Clio Plus, which is $4.99 a month, you have access to the $100 SpotMe loan. With Clio Builder, you have access to the budgeting app, the $100 SpotMe loan, and the Clio Credit Builder, which is kind of like a secured credit card where you be depositing your own money and using that money as credit. So if you're trying to build or rebuild credit, there's other ways to do that besides spending $14.99 a month. For example, with Chime, they have the same service where it's a secured card, you can spend your own money, but the only difference here is you're not paying $14.99 a month. There's no subscription fee at all. And right now, if you apply with the link in my description, you can receive $100 by setting up direct deposit and following a few simple steps. But that's not what we're here for. Let's go back to the $100 SpotMe loan. All right, so let's go to their app here. So right off the bat, I get the screen here telling me to upgrade to the $14.99 a month Ultimate Experience, where you get your cash advance, cash back on issue by. Telling you, these guys are coming out aggressive. The credit builder card and the ability to check your credit score. All right, so let's ask it, how much money do I have? This is what I was talking about earlier. You can put in exactly how much you want to save per paycheck, or you can let Clio help you decide that. Let's go to all the way down to the right corner here. We're going to go to borrow. So it says see if you're eligible. So all you have to do when you sign up is link your bank account. So we're going to go to link this account. It's going to check my eligibility. Now, one thing I did read on the website is that for your first loan, you can't get advanced the full amount of $100. You're more than likely going to get advanced here somewhere between 60 and 70, between 20 and 70. And then once you pay that back, you're going to get a higher amount, or you'll be approved for a higher amount. So it says you're eligible for an advance. Okay, so I would actually have to sign up for Clio Plus. I don't want to do that. It's $5.99 a month, right? But for the sake of content, I'm gonna do it just for this video here. They got me. So you can sign up for $5.99 a month, or you can pay for the whole year, which is $44.99. So I'm trying to hit 100,000 subs this year, and with your help, I know we can do it. I'm at 30,000 right now, so 100,000 is definitely doable. So if you're trying to rebuild your credit or want to know how to get approved for high limit credit cards, side hustling ideas, and ways to improve your financial future, you're gonna want to have this channel in your back pocket. And best part about it, it's free, so what do you have to lose? And if you have already subbed to the channel, I want to thank you for your continued support. More great content on the way. Subscribe to $5.99. So let's subscribe and see how much I actually get approved for here. And I just want everybody to remember out there, I'm just providing the information. I get people that are upset that they don't get approved for whatever reason. That's not my call, just providing the info here. All right, so it tells me, how much do you need? 20, 25, or $30? Serious. Your first loan, you're not gonna get the full amount of 100, but $30, I mean, come on. All right, so check this out. This is a few hours after I stopped recording. So I went here to borrow. The highest amount I was approved for was 30, but when you actually go to your home page and then you go to borrow, scroll all the way to the right, and it's gonna give you the highest amount. You click unlock, and it's gonna give it to you. It's gonna let you borrow it. I didn't realize that. So I just wanted to point that out and update this real quick before I finish the video, before I edit it, and make sure this part is in there. This card will be used to receive and repay funds. So you're gonna enter your debit card that you want the money deposited into, and that's gonna be the same account that is gonna withdraw that money. All right, let's see what it's gonna charge me for this $30. All right, so it's not even charging me interest here. The only fee that it's charging me is a $5.99 a month Clio Plus. But if I choose to expedite and get that money same day, it's gonna charge me $3.99 on top of that. So Meet Clio is a cool app. Even if you just use the free budgeting feature, it's still worth taking a look at. But with the $100 loan and no credit check, can't beat it. This video went on a little bit too long. I just wanted to show you this quick $100 SpotMe loan. Don't forget, links for everything we covered today are in the description. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Check you on the next one.